Hey, everyone. Let's edit a video in Capcut app.
Open Capcut app.
So let's start. Select Import.
Select the clips you want to edit.
Select a clip and open it.
Again, select Import and add other clips.
Clip selected. Now let's edit.
Select this add option.
Now add other clips. You can add in both ways. Either add or hold the clip and grab it. Suppose I want to cut the remaining portion.
Select the split option.
Press backspace to delete this remaining portion.
Now the most important part, to remove the green screen.
Select our clip, then cut out.
Select this pencil. Now drag this circle on the green color and tap.
Now just increase the strength and shadow.
Now select the image and extend its time duration. Now add other clip. Remove the green screen. Increase the strength until the green screen removed. Now trim the remaining portion. Now, the most important topic is ratio. For PC 16:9. For phone 9:16. So this is the phone view. Now zoom this picture. Select basic and increase the scale. Now select your other clips and zoom it. Zoom this clip also. Now add text to your video. Now type the text you want. From here, you can change the text font. Now copy this text and paste it for other clip.
You can use multiple effects of text, but for that you need to connect with VPN.
See how fantastic they are. Let me show you how it looks like. You can adjust the color and brightness of your video. You can add your watermark. You can add so many wonderful stickers and effects with VPN. Now to save your video, select Export. You can add the path where you want to save your video. Select the video quality. I will suggest save in 4000. Add title of your video. And select Export. And it's done. Subscribe if you like this video.